Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. VS Code and Node. JS/LTS are installed. Once done, open the Extensions pane and install Quokka. Make sure you open or create a JavaScript or TypeScript file so Quokka can attach. Quokka needs a live editor context. Then, trigger the command palette and run Quokka. Start on current file. You'll see an initial overlay and status in the lower right, indicating Quokka is live and ready to evaluate expressions in place. Once active, configure Quokka for your project. Choose the default or a project-based config and package. JSON for consistent behavior. Make sure to set the runtime node version or a Babel/TypeScript transformer when needed, because correct transpilation controls results. Run Quokka with auto start if you want instant feedback. Otherwise, invoke start on current file. Use inline // or // console to print values next to expressions, which is faster than opening DevTools, and keep to finish save a Quokka, conf or package. JSON entry so settings persist across sessions. This simplifies transforms, env variables, and path mappings. Once done, inspect the Quokka output panel for runtime errors or missing modules and install any dependencies the logs show. If Quokka fails to evaluate, restart it and make sure other extensions aren't interfering. Disabling formatters or language plugins temporarily can reveal conflicts. A single key troubleshooting tip. Check node version and installed transformers first. They are the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.